I would like to introduce a practice called future focus. So in order to develop empowerment, everybody needs to act more independently. That's the goal, right? But at the same time, we need to ensure that we all row in the same direction. We want to make sure that there is no people going to the right and some people going to the left. Otherwise, we go as a team, we go nowhere. So we want to make sure that there is consistency and coherence in the way people work in the team. So how we do that? First of all, we will clarify in this practice, we'll clarify for the next period of time, for the next 3 to 6 months, what is really truly important, how we really truly create value, right? And we are going to look at what are those 3, 4, 5 key things that we really want to achieve. And we are going to think, okay, we are going to think what are the trades-offs we should maybe be doing in order to achieve those? What are the other good things that we have to be ready to not achieve if we really want to achieve that? We call that trades-off. So we're going to look into that. And then everyone will be empowered to translate those into their own context, into their own roles, and take decisions on their own based on that. And what is interesting in this practice is that we do it as a team. It's not the manager doing it alone. It's not individuals thinking on their own what they want to do. It's a team thinking and sensing it to what's at stake, what is the most important, and what should we be willing to let go of if we want to achieve our goals. And that practice will create more coherence, more collective intelligence in your team. So try it, test it, and tell us if it creates value for you.